Alrighty, so I really need to start getting into doing some Adobe stuff. So I'm going to do like this sort of catch-all series. Probably just going to call it creative mode after, I haven't really got any better ideas. And what was I doing? Right. The thing is, like I was thinking about is it's kind of interesting. I'm still not really like sure about the path thing, how paths work. Because here's something interesting, right? If we have these two line segments here, and we like select this point and this point, you notice then this opens up here. So then I can actually select the endpoints. Um, but it doesn't seem like that always happens. Like, and I'm not sure like exactly. I think the answer is it's something to do with if the endpoints are open, it's fine. Like, but you see, if I wanted to connect, like, here's a bit that I just ripped off this X here. Say we connect. Say I wanted to connect this point. I guess it's maybe because it's a different material or something. No, it does it like that. No, so it does kind of work actually. Funny enough, when I was just a minute ago, it wasn't working like that. Yeah, that was interesting how that worked. It connected all the points though, didn't it? If we just select that point and that point. See, then it doesn't let you do that. That makes no sense, right? Right, so I've got those 2 points selected. Then it lets you do it. Interestingly, I guess it's because of these things here. I'm not sure what that is actually called though, because I haven't got them on this section. There's no real. I don't see the difference between these sections. The only difference is, I guess, I haven't got the ability to. Yeah, if you look at the actual X, I guess it only has these 8 points. Well, it has 10. Well, actually, it has 11. Does it have 11? 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And the amount of actual anchor points it's got is 4, 6, 10, 12, 16. It only has 11 of. Yeah, because I was kind of like curious, like, when you take. Say you take these 2 points off, that's what you get. When you take these 3 points, you get that section. And when you take. I wonder what happens if you just actually take. We'll take these 4. See what we get there. Interesting. You get like a line segment from it. If I take the other 4, which ones do we want? We want these 2, and then we want that one and that one. It doesn't do the whole thing. Huh. I guess that makes sense, right? So this was these 4, so I just got up to there. 1, 2, 3. There is one there though, right? Yeah. And I guess that was only going. It only goes up to that point. Anyway, so that's interesting. It is kind of interesting. Basically, I guess you can connect where these What are those little circle things called though? I can't remember. I should really look into this again. Uh, hmm. Could try a different letter. See what we get from it. Let's see. What letter should we go for? We could try a F. Capital F, please. So it's kind of different, like when you take this shape and when you take just like a regular like um, rectangle. They have like different options, right? Like this, if you right click on it, you go to you can get create outlines. But this, I guess, is a more primitive shape because you don't have those options. Makes sense, right? I don't know if you used a true type font, an open type, sorry, that you would get the same options. You might. Isn't there one called? There is actually a font which has got a weird name. Let me see if I can find it. Why is it not even showing me? It's called Variable, is it? What was it called actually? That's a good question. It had a funny name, that font. Fonts. It is called Variable, is the name of the font. Where did it go? Are you showing me? Come on. Right. Is it in this list? Should be. Probably haven't up. It might not be. No, it's not. Why is it not there then? Look for the search for variable. Where is the actual search here? Font. Oh wait. Huh. It's not actually there. Oh yeah, look, there it is. Do I get loads of choices? I think I get loads of choices. We're getting a little bit. This is why this is creative mode because we're not tall. Oh look at that. So you can choose a serif font. Let's just choose like a. Let me let me just try something like that because go for variable font. Click variable font icon in the control panel. Oh, I've not seen that button. What does that do? Oh wow, look at that. That's oh yeah. This is where I was. This is not quite what I was looking for, but Interesting. It's always good to see what the. I'm in the. What we got here? Isn't this the same as Word? I can't remember. Kind of, yeah. It's kind of like Word when you're doing a thingamajig.